Welcome to Rapid Response. We're a national leader in electronic security monitoring, putting the technology of tomorrow in our dealers' hands today. Since Rapid Response was established in 1992, we have provided exceptional service to dealers across the U.S., Canada, and the Caribbean. We take our commitment to you and your customers very seriously. From our strategically located facilities in Syracuse, New York, and Corona, California, we provide our dealers and their subscribers round-the-clock coverage and offer seamless, secure protection that includes two-way audio, video, GPS, PERS, residential and commercial security, and fire protection. Our monitoring centers are manned 24/7, 365 days a year, ready for any and every situation. Step inside our world-class facilities and you'll find the latest biometric protection and video surveillance technologies, multi-layer alarm processing system redundancies, and advanced communications including multiple network providers and dual redundant MPLS connections that ensure continuous uptime and incredible speed. You can rest assured knowing that our center's power sources are backed by multiple dual generators, each capable of handling the full load, and multiple dual uninterruptible power supply units wired in dual bus configuration. Our software development team has custom-developed innovative mobile apps for dealers and their customers, allowing for seamless, efficient account management, anytime, anywhere. We give our dealers all the tools they need to succeed. But what truly sets Rapid Response apart from our competitors is our team of highly trained staff. All monitoring center personnel are CIA certified, following an intensive 6-week training program, and are held to the highest performance standards in the industry. When you partner with Rapid Response, you have a team of certified world-class professionals who are committed to the protection of life and property. Rapid Response is your partner in next-generation electronic security monitoring.